Okay, next is given an integer x. You take tasks to choose an integer y such that the value of minimum xy is maximized. If there are multiple valid y, you may output any of them. Minimum is defined as the okay for school output integer y such that minimum is maximized. What does it means? As you chose an integer y such that the value of minimum 6 xy is maximized. For test case t something, the only line of each test contain a single integer x. For each case output an integer y such that minimum of x comma y is maximized. So no matter what I output, it will gonna be same, I guess. What's the limit of x? Same. Bro, I submitted 2 eyes. Is it? What the heck? Again, next problem. You are given an given 7 integer. You must negate 6 out of 7 integer. This is multiplied by -1. Overall possible way to negate 6 out of 7 integer. Find the maximum possible sum of a. Okay, for each okay, maximum possible sum of a. Okay. Why it took both submission? I'm confused about that. So yeah. There is no n. Obviously, if I make negative for the smallest values, is there positive negative? Yeah, there is positive negative values. The smallest values, those are better actually. Yeah. If those values are even negative, then that's good. I think I should submit in the main site because obviously someone submitted twice same code. That's not normal. Okay, you are given an integer. You must choose a permutation of length 3n such that if you partitions the permutation into n consecutive block with 3 elements, the sum of the median of those block is maximized. Sum of the median. Sum of the median. More formally, you must choose a permutation p of length 3n such that sum of 0 to n minus 1 median Median is maximum. Okay. It got skipped. That is the time same. 0204. I don't know. So I just have to create a permutation of 3n. Okay. So median. What is median? Median is, I guess, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those. Median 2, median 5. Answer is, its answer is 8. So that's not valid, I guess. Median. The median of an array contain 3 elements is the second element after. Oh, okay, makes sense. So that's that. Here I'm wasting 3. 3, 5. Yeah, makes sense. So if I wanna make less waste, so no matter what, max values are getting wasted. Yeah. If I wanna make less waste, let's say I wanna reuse. I can reuse 3 actually. Yeah. So number of groups as 2 groups. So the minimum should gonna go to every single groups 1, 2, 3. Then next value should go to next group, and next value should go to next group. It should be something like that. 3, 3, 3, something like that. Why I'm doing scene. At first I'm going, it's 3 times. Okay. 3 into n. Is there any better way? 1 plus 3 plus 3, then 2 plus 3 plus 3. Yeah, it should be something like that actually. Answer I equal to I equal to 1. Answer equal to current, and answer plus equal to 3. And it should be something from 0, 1 to up to the end point actually. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, up to end point. Should let's write it from the scratch. Okay, there's a gap. 0, 1 should be equal to 2. No, it shouldn't be. For 2, why there's 2 ones? What? 0 is equal to 3. 0, be 0 3 0 1 2 3 4 5. First chance 0 3, yeah, 0 3. Then second is 1 4 1 4, yeah. Then it just keeps everything, so it should go up to there should be at least three repetition. Yeah, there should be at least up to 3 repetition. 0 1 2, yeah. So it should be 1, it should be 2, it should be 3, it should be 4, it should be 5, it should be 6. So 1 3 5 2 4 6, yeah. So median is 4 plus 5 plus 6 is the answer. That it's not given, so let's do that. 4 plus 8 plus 6, 18. Okay, it doesn't match. It's not matching actually, yeah. Median is 4. Median is 8. Median is 6. So 18, and I'm getting here is 15, so it's not good. That's not good, yeah. So what's going on here? I'm getting 4 5 4 difference less, 8 9 difference less, 6 7 difference less, yeah. It does make sense. So if I make something 1 1 4 5 2 1 3 4, so 1 3 4, then 2 4 5. Is it better? 3 plus 2, 3 plus 4 7. No, it's not better. Okay, that is 2 4s, so that's obviously not better. 5 6, yeah. Yeah, it looks better actually. So yeah, makes sense. So combination should be 1 3 4 2 next variable. It should be something like that. I equal to, I think I can also do that. Just running it once should be good. the answer is 3 and 5 make, yeah, it matches. Answer is 2 also matches. Answer is 4 plus 6 plus 8 also matches. Yeah, I'll submit here. It's annoying, every single problem's name start with the same stuff. It's really annoying. I don't like this stuff. Construct a sequence A of containing an integer such that GCD of a comma a plus 1 is distinct over all I. Okay, it is greater than that at least one sequence exists. Okay, construct. Okay, I can construct anything, I guess. For this case, okay, it is greater than that. Yeah. So let's do some value of 2's. 1, 2, 4. No. Those GCDs I and I plus 1 from 1 to n. GCD is 1, GCD is 2, 8. What's the limit of the value? N can be 10 to the 4, 10 to the 4. So that's a little problem. So that it is given that at least one is distinct over. Okay, all of them is distinct. Okay, all of them are distinct. So power of 2. Then I'll go to going to 3 is 1, 2, 4, 8 up to let's say 30 power of 3. GCD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I do something like that? If I want GCD 1, it has to be 1 and 2 or something. GCD 3, GCD 2, it has to be multiple of 2 and multiple of 3 both. And GCD 4, it has to be multiple of 4 into 5. Yeah, it should be something like that. Up to 10 to the 4. So yeah, it should work. Let's do something like that. So previous equal to 1. See how it is. This value has to be multiple of this. If I want 3 in this place, IN okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want 2 in this place, so the next value has to be 2 into 3, and next value has to be 4 into 3. Yeah, so at least 10 is 2, so that's that. See out 1 is always available. Start from 1 and end for that. So next value has to be multiple of previous value, means current. Say out I into I plus 1. Yeah, that should be good. Should I prove it or something? GCD of 1, 6, 12, 20, 30. Okay, GCD of 1 and 6 is 1, 6 and 12 is 6, 12 and 2 is okay, it doesn't match. It should be 2 into 1. I did plus 1, it should be minus 1. My mistake. So 1, 1, 2, 6, 12, 20. Okay, GCD of this 2 is 1, GCD of this 2 is 3, GCD of this 2 is 4, I guess, and this 2 is 5, I guess. No, it's not 5. 12 and 20. 12 and 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 into 5. Those are actually 12 is 6 into 2. 6 into 2 and okay, it's not matching. One, 2, 6, 4. Should I run it for more? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there is some repetition. What's the limit? The limit is 1 if 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is several nodes. Bro. 1, 2, 4, 6, 10, 30. There is some problem. One, two. $56, $72. It decreases. No. Yes, 6 then for 12, 20. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I want GCD 1, so this will have to be multiple of 1 and 2. I want GCD of 2, this will has to be multiple of 2 and 3. I want GCD of 3, this value has to be multiple of 3 and current value 4. I want 5, this value has to be multiple of 4 and 5. So that's a problem because yeah, the value can be greater, because if no, why the values are greater? If this value is multiple this and that, they have common only 3, they have common only 4, they have common only 2, 6, 12, 20. Yeah, it's 20. Yeah, it's 4. Then it should be 5, but it's 10 somehow. Why it's 10? Because it's multiple of 4 and it's multiple. Yeah, makes sense. Why it's repeating it makes sense. It does make sense. So I have to change it. If I see the power of 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, up to how much it goes. Again, 1, 2, 4, 8 up to 2 to the 30 or 60. Yeah, I got 60. Then for 3, I should go up to 2 to the power some value. For 3, I shouldn't. Yeah, for 3, I should start from 3 square, 3 to the power 3, 3 to the 4, like that. But before 60, I should do something. 2 to the power, let's say 50 into 3. I'll create value something like that. So if I calculate 2 to the power 60, 2 to the power 5, the max value. Let's implement it actually. I need the prime numbers actually. Prime. I hope this much prime will work. Bro, I should have. That's just a pain. I don't think I need this much values. There should be some better way to implement it actually. For 2 I got 60 values, for 3 I got 20 or 30 or 40 values, I'm not sure. 3 to the power 40. Okay, let's say I got 60 plus 30 plus for 60, let's say I got 60 value for 2, or I can do this stuff, just store that in a map or something. Oh, okay, something is wrong. While count not equal to n, count less than equal to n, less than n, count equal to 1, count plus plus, I'm doing GCD of that, and previous should be that. Oh, I'm also not doing I plus plus, I plus plus. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, everything is fine, I guess. Bro, not. Okay. So next problem. I should pass. Okay, you are given an array A initially consists of n negative integer. You perform the following operation exactly n minus 1 time. Select an index I of A where A denotes the current. Okay, let x equal to okay. Select an index I of A, let x equal to ai, set aj equal to aj x for all 1 2. Okay, for all of them, remove ai from the array. Oh, what? It can be shown that after n-1 operation execute one element remain in the array. Your task is to determine the maximum possible value of value for this remaining element if you can perform the operation optimally. Okay, values n equal to is a peculiar number 3105. Yeah, a equal to up to 109. So question said I have to XOR with every single one and remove AI. It should specify the index actually. That should be better, I guess. In the second test case, 1 2 3 one option sequence is select element 3. If I XOR, I get 1 3 2 3 1 3 2 3. Select an index, set. Okay, got the point. So I'm XORing, I have to maximize the answer. Max. I need the max. So let's have some numbers. 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. If I XOR, it will gonna be obviously 0. What's the max possible value I can get? That's the main point actually. 1 2 3 0 0 1. Let's put it 0 1 1 0 1 1. Maximum I can get is 1 1. Okay. Maximum I can get 1. So the values, problem is every single value is changing lot of time. It's a unique question, I was gonna say. But value is 3105 and equal to 3105. Can I do some brute force kind of stuff? Also, XOR is reversible, obviously. If I do some operation 3, it will be 1 1 1 1 1 1. I'll get 0 1 0 1 0 0. I got this one. Oh, yeah, I get. Yeah. If I XOR of any of them 1 0 1 0, it will go 0 0, it will go 1 1. Yeah. Is it whatever I do, always answer will maximize or minimize somehow because the values are fixed. I'm not sure about that. Let's print that at least once. Yeah, it doesn't make change. Okay, what's actually going on? That's the main point. 1 2 3. If I XOR with the first value, I'll include this value 3 more time. Then include this another value 2 more time. Then Last value is 0 time actually. 3 time, I'm including the values some number of time, 1 2 3, 3 time, 2 time, and 0 time actually, because I'm not counting the initial one. 1 1. If I add, I think I should count the initial one. Yeah, I think I should count the initial 1 2 3 for 0 1 1 0 1 1. For this one to be fast, I'll count 1 on 4 time. If I count any value even time, it will become 0. I'll count 2 3 time, 1 0. It will stay the same. Yeah, if I count any value odd time, it will become same. It will stay same. It will stay same. Yeah. So let's try to focus on a single value. So let's focus on a single value. I'm gonna change a value. So eventually I'm thinking, am I including the value or not including the value? That's the main question, I guess. If I use this one for the first time, not including. If I use the second time, including. If I use it the third time, not including, I guess. Is it true? Last time isn't applicable. So last operation isn't applicable. So always yes. So last answer is 0 1 and 1 0, between those two. Yeah, between any two values. Answer is between any two values, I guess. Binary to decimal. Sorry, decimal to binary conversion. I needed that. So the value is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0. That's I don't like that. I don't like the binary. So if the length is odd, I'll ignore 1 actually. So number of add even is similar. Add even is similar. So I'll focus on a value. I'll rename that, and add and even is same. If the values are odd, so let's say 1 2 3 values are there. So let's say 1 is yes, yeah, yes, no, yes. Is it true or just, if the length is odd, this value is appearing. Length is length odd means there is another value somewhere. Okay. For odd length, there is only 2. Selection of 2 values. For even length, there is this value will be added 1 2 3 4 5 times. Then next value will be added 1 2 3 4 times. Next value will be added 1 2 times 3 times. Okay, 5 4 3 2 isn't allowed actually. Yeah. So there is 2 valid. Five. Let's say I'm having the 5. This I'm having it. So 5 4 3. also having. So it doesn't matter actually. At max I can have n by 2 values and one fixed value. At max I can have n by 2 values and one fixed value. Let's say 1 2 3 1 2 3, so 0 1 1 0 1 1. If I have fixed this one, I can get n by 2. It's one value. I can get at least one value. So for 0 1, what's the best? For 0 1, I have to have a fixed amount of values n equal to a lot of values. This question feels hard little bit. I'm not getting any intuition kind of stuff. 2000 solve. That's a lot of solve actually. Okay, let's rethink from the beginning. Let's have a little break. Can I derive it from the answer? Some kind of, yeah. Let's. I'm guessing the answer is raw water. So I'm guessing answer is 3. Zero one 1 0 1 1. If I there's even amount, so 0, there is even amount 0. So yeah, I need some complicated example actually. The example is too complicated for given one is too long and weird. 1 0 0 0 1 1, then 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Bro, I don't like it. 102. So number of element is 10, so I can use at least 5. I can uh, remove 4 values actually. I can remove 4 values. I can remove 4 values, any 4 values. So for the first quadrant, just do can I zoom here? No, I can't. Pro. Okay, I cannot zoom there. So first quadrant is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, I just 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. I again, bro, I'm just 0, 1, then 0, 1, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then all of them are 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One is more somehow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1 is answer. Okay, okay, makes sense. Last one is answer. So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So I can remove any 4 actually. Even yeah, I can remove any even amount from here. That's good. I can remove any event amount. So selection isn't done here. I think I can do that. Boom. Okay. For here is even amount first quadrant. Okay. That's good. I can remove any of them. Then the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the odd amount. So there is the odd amount 5. 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can remove where any. No. Odd means okay. So I can remove any four of them. Which one has ones? Then next step, let's say I have the answer. I want some combination. I want to create a combination I have one. So here is odd amount of one. Odd amount of one. Nine, three, two. One, 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 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Bro. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. So I have one here. I can remove. So there is five ones and 5 zeros. So I can remove any 2 1 and any 2 0 or any 4. I have option for anything. For 10, I have 10 values. If I remove 4 of them, it will gonna be stay same. If I remove 4 of them, it will gonna stay same. If I remove 4 of them, it might stay or might not stay. Okay, this problem is really confusing. Not problem. I'm not getting any good. Oh, I just mistakenly stopped my recording. I just misclicked on here. 3000 solve. Should I go to F? You are given two integer x and y. Your task is to construct a tree with x, y nodes rooted at 1 such that exactly x node in the tree has even subtree size, exactly y node in the tree has odd subset type. If multiple valid answer, you may output any of them. If there is no such output, no. Okay. X, Y output UV denotes age. Is there some limitation for X and Y? 2E5. Yeah, I think this question is more suited for me. 1 1 1 1. So it's giving yes. I want 1 connected to 2. Event length subset. X node and the tree has even subtree size. Subtree 246 and the nodes odd size are okay 2 4 6. Okay, even child number actually. Yeah, even child number. Okay, even child number. I need even child number. Makes sense. Okay. Let's have some value. I have a tree. Let's have 3 or 4. Okay. If I want to create 1, it's part of, if I select even, it will be even. Yeah, if I have a leaf node, it will gonna be part of even, and connected to that is odd. Even, number of childs. I need number of childs rooted to 1, I guess. Rooted on 1. Okay, so that is I want 3 even. So let's have 3 leaf nodes. 2 3 4. So I need 4 some weird node, something like let's put that before actually. 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7. Okay, so I can always add them, something like that. Let's say not adding on 2. 1 is there, so let's add on 2. Odd length. I need odd child number. Yeah, I can distribute that easily. Odd child number. When it gave me a snow, just because 2 even. So if I have odd child number, so obviously every single value has to have at least 1 child. For odd, at least 1 child. So let's say 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4. For 2, 5 6 7, and for 1 I have 3 of them. So it can be some extra Yeah, it can be some extra. There's one option. No, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it becomes even actually. I can have 2, still that's the even. So the amount is, they has to be equal or something, I guess. If the values are more, I can put on some extra stuff, x, y. Yeah, I can put some extra stuff here and here, there. Let's say on x, y. 3. Those are creating an even amount. Yeah, those are creating an even amount. And I need at least one extra to cancel that out. Yeah. So if y is more, even amount, even 2 4 is even. Okay. If x is greater, it's not possible. I'm seeing that 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 5 and 6 both are not possible. Yeah, 0 is impossible, makes sense. Yeah, I'm guessing it should work actually. So every single value needs an odd amount of child, I guess. Y. I'm focusing on Y. One connects to every single one. Uh, yeah, one connected to every single one at first. In the second step, I have to give at least one value to every single one. At least one. Yeah. If one for which value 0 is correct. 1, it's counting as an even. 2 4 6, 2 4 6 3 is odd. 1 2 3, yeah, odd amount of child. So 0 is even. So even amount of child, 0 is possible. But 0 0, 0 is possible when both are 0 0. odd. Those are odd. Even. It's odd. 3 is odd. I think I'm confusing some stuff. Why it wasn't possible? 1, 2, 3. Even amount of charge. I want two value to have even amount of charge. I want two value to have even amount of charge. And I have only one odd charge. Odd. Even amount of charge. Each X node in the tree has exactly subtree size, even subtree size. X is even. For test case, the subtree fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 even. Oh, whole length is even. I'm wrong. 2, 4, 6. 2. 4. 3, 4. This 4. The output in the final in the 4 test case node with subtree size 2, 4, 6, and then the output output of the final tree shows the diagram below. Okay, 4 test case. Number of node 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not the tree. What? The output of the final test shows in the diagram of the final test. I'm just what the heck? 1, 2, 3, 4. Why it made it so confusing? Rotated that case, but given output of something else. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and 7. Okay, I'm thinking it's a even amount, odd amount, even amount, odd amount, even amount, odd amount, even amount. So number of even 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of odd 1, 2, 3. Number of odd is 3. So odd is 3 and even is 4. Okay, it's reverse. Number of charge. Okay, it's odd, even, odd, even. Okay, I just misunderstood the question actually. Misunderstood the test, is not the question. So for 2, 1, I want even something. So it's not possible actually. Yeah. For 0, 3, it's also not possible. Because if I want even amount, I need some odd values. Yeah. For 4, 7, it's possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is connected to every single one. And every single one is connected to something 5, 6, 7, and also it has to be something connected to something 8. Total 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, even amount. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 3 more left. If I put that here, it will be too much. I can add an even amount. 1, 2, I can put an even amount. Two. If I put 9, 10, 11, it will gonna be 3, 4, 5. It will gonna be 5, 5, one more. Yeah, it will gonna be one more. I can add 2. Yeah, I can easily add 2. 9, 10. Now question is, where can I put 11? I wanna put 11. One extra below. One extra below. One below is remaining. Yeah, always at max one below will be remaining. So 2, 7. Can I do something? 2, let's say 2, 7, 11. If I do 2, 7, 11, it will gonna be even, it will gonna be odd. Yeah, I can just add it to a new segment, 11. Then it will gonna be okay. 1, 8. Let's say 9, 10 is here. 1, 8, 9, 10. It's the odd, it's the odd, it's the odd, it's the even. Let's say I've added 11 here. If I add 11 here, what will gonna happen? It will become odd, it will become even, it will become odd, and odd stays odd. Let me rethink stuff. Odd, 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 even. I wanna add another odd. Okay. 1, 9, 8, 11, 10. So this is odd, this is odd, this is odd, this is even, this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is again odd. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Yeah. It should work, I guess. So that, and I have to add to 1. I'll add every single value to 1. One odd is allowed, nothing more. So 0 1 is allowed, 0 0 is allowed. Those cases make it weird actually. 0 1 allowed, more even isn't allowed. Okay, more even isn't allowed. While less even isn't allowed. Oh, it's 0. That is read this stuff. If x greater than y, say or no. Else if x equal to 0 and y greater than 1. See out? No. Else, that is the answer. Greater than 1. Yeah, greater than 1 isn't allowed. Or is it? No, it's not allowed. Yeah. If 0. If there is at least 1, I can do something. Otherwise, if x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, if yes, for yes output is contents by UV denotes the age UV. X plus y equal to at least 1. If x greater than y, return. Again. Otherwise, there is answer. obviously y is greater, so answer that pushback I comma current equal to x plus 1. Current plus minus giving me okay. Y minus equal to x. I'll add everything to if if the values are odd amount last. Current plus 1 x plus 1, yeah. If if y mod 2 equal not equal to 0, answer dot pushback x plus 1 comma current and current plus and received nothing cause okay, yes, no, yes, yes. It gave me no. Okay, let's see. Okay, yes, no, yes. Yes, no. It gave me yes. Why that's the case? Or x equal to 0. Yes, no. Oh. Yes, no. Just okay. Oh yeah, yes, no. Then it should be yes, but it gave me no. Why that should be yes? This is 3. Yeah, odd amount for odd value. If all values are odd, if all values are odd, and there is odd amount of values. If all values are odd, 1, 2, 3, have another 1, 4, 5, yeah. If y x equal to 0, see out yes and y mod 2 equal to 0, see out no and return if x equal to 0. Otherwise, that's the case. See out 1 space I. And then return. Yes, no, yes. Yes, no, yes. Yes, yes, no, yes. Then no, no. Yes, no, yes. Yes, no, yes. It should be no, no. Yes, no, yes. Why is printing 1, 2? 1 to 2, 3 should be 2. Yeah. Yes, no, yes, yes. Yes, no, yes. Yes, yeah. It's matching. Yes, no, yes, yes. Yes, no, yes, yes. No, no. No, no, yes. Yeah, it does match. One, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, then 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 6, 2, 6, 3, 7, 4, 8, then 5, 9, 1, 10, 1, 11. So number of even is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Number of even is 1, 2, 3. Last case 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. Number of odd is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's F. Yeah, looks good. 30 minutes left, so I'm gonna see the last question. The 3 problems on the domain. Yeah, it looks nice. Got accepted, so that's good. 2000 people accepted it, so that's not that impressive. Okay, 6 7 meme again. Okay, you are given two integer and and an array b of length n. It is gotten that I don't like this site. Yes, in previous contest I had a really bad headache, so I use that site for the dark mode, but now I feel good. Okay, you are given two integer n and m and array b of length n. It is gotten that every integer from 0 to m minus 1 appears in V at least once. A group of n people okay, a group of people are standing in a line in fixed position, number from 1 to n. They all want to sit down, but some are too socially awkward to do immediately. Okay, for some arbitrary array a of length n, in person, each person I has social awareness level ai, uh, each person I has a social awareness level of ai. Consider the setting process which evolve in discrete unit of time 0 1 2 is followed. If a equal to 0 person, I will sit down at time 0, otherwise I just feel bored. Let's see the standing actually. After that I'll go 3000. Not that great. A lot of people solve E, but for me it wasn't that simple. I couldn't solve that. Bro, rank just went down like what the heck? Why it's not showing my rating? Was I unrated? What? I'll solve that the next problem. Okay, you are given two integer n and m and an array b of length n. Was I really unrated? I don't think so. You are given two integer n and m and an array b of length n. It is gotten okay. A group of n people are standing in a line in a fixed position 1 to n. They all want to sit down, but some are too socially awkward to do so immediately. For some arbitrary array of length n, each person I has a social awkwardness level of ai. Consider the seating process which evolve in discrete unit of time. What does discrete means? Discrete unit of time 0 1 2 following. If ai equal to 0 person, I will sit down at time 0, otherwise ai greater than 0 person, I will sit down at the beginning of a time unit t. If both of the following conditions satisfy, at least ai people has already sat down strictly before time t. At least one of their neighbor has already sat down strictly before the okay at both okay at the beginning of every unit of time is standing persons checks those condition. All people for whom the condition are satisfied, sit down simultaneously, and then the person advance to the next unit of time. Okay, each I, the value bis denotes the time, the unit at which person I sits down. Your task is to determine how many distinct array are consistent with this given array B. Since the number of can be okay. Please do note that the problem use unusual mod and it's a prime. Okay. In the first test case, the only two valid areas 0, 1, 3, 0 and 2, 0, 3, 0 at time 0. The first person and fourth person sit down. Oh, okay. The person 2 sits down. Oh, discrete. What does discrete means? Discrete meaning বিচ্ছিন্ন. Discrete is separate and distinct. Discrete spell sounds proud of.
Discrete.
Okay, it just means not connected or something, I guess. For some arbitrary array of length and each person I has a social awareness of level AI. Consider the sitting process which evolve in discrete unit of time 0 to n. If AI equal to 0 person, okay. For each I, the value bi denotes the time unit at which person I sits down. Okay, so at input I got n and m. Okay, I got n and m for props 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0. I got 0, 1, 2, 0. Okay. I don't get it. In the first test, the only two valid arrays are 0, 1, 3, 0, 0, 1, 3, 0 and 0, 2, 3, 0. Those are two valid arrays. At time 0, the first person and fourth person sit down. The second, the person 2 sits down at time 1. If A2 equal to 0, where 0, person 2 would have sat down at time 0. If A2 were greater than 2, person 2 would not have been able to sit down. If A2 were greater than 2, person 2 would not have been able to sit down at time 1. At time 1, since only 2 people were sat down before time 2. it can be shown that okay, so it's the limitation of the uh, number of people sitting down or something. No. Let's read the question again. Okay. You are given two integer n and m and an array b of length n. It is guaranteed that every time every integer 0 to m minus 1 appears at least once uh, at least once. A group of n peoples are standing in a line in a fixed position 1 to n. They all want to sit down, but some are too social to do immediately. For some arbitrary array of length n, each person I has a social awkwardness of AI. Consider the sitting process, which evolves in discrete unit of time 0 to following. If AI equal to 0 person, I will sit down at time 0. If otherwise, at least AI people have already sat down strictly before time t. At least one of the neighboring has sat down. At the beginning of every unit of time, each standing person checks those conditions. All people. Simultaneously, for each I, the value pi denotes the time unit at which person I set down. Your task denotes how many distinct array A are consist with the given array B. Given array B, okay, V is given. Okay, the time is given to me. So 0, 1, 2, 0. Okay, time is given to me. Okay, now it makes sense. So if those values are 0, obviously they has to be 0, and it's set on time 1, so it can be 1, 2, and it's set on time 2. So if it was 1, it has to be 3. If it was 2, yeah, it has to be 2. If it was 2, it has to be 3. I'm guessing that. So variable is 1, 2. Both are valid because m is equal to 3. 0 to m minus 1 appears 0 to m minus 1 at least once. 0. Okay, b is given to me actually, not. Time isn't any fixed amount. I'm guessing that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0, 1. At time 0, 2 seats. At time 0, 2 seats. If 2 are sitting, this one, this 3 can become 1 or 2. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. No. No. It's not valid. Okay. So again, this one and this one can sit. So number of sitting value is 4. So it can be bro, it's confusing. Okay, I'm not trying anymore. Let's try E for the last time. And I'm confused about the standing. Why it's not showing my... Why? Did I register as unrated? Registration. Does it show rated or unrated? No, it doesn't. Unregistered option. Your registration for the contest as... I'm confused. Okay, I think everything should end here. 20 minutes left, but I don't think I can solve this one. 3105.